Hey, if you wonder if you can change your Fortnite name while playing on the PS5 Slim, there's no way to do this, but you can for sure do this by opening the web browser on your phone or PC. So let me show you how it looks. First of all, you have to go into the browser and open the Epic Games website. So open the official Epic Games website. Now from here you have to for sure log in into your account, the same account that you are actually using on your PS5 Slim. Then you have to click on the three lines in the right upper corner and select account icon. Now from here go into your account. Now just wait for the loading screen, it will take a few seconds. And from here you have to click on the display name, click on the edit button, and now you can input your new name. If you finish, just scroll down and click to confirm. And you can change your name once in the 2 weeks. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.